So it looks like Canadians may be able to not pay their taxes for one more month, which I think is fantastic, especially with what's going on in the world today. Everyone, is going to be strapped for cash. Maybe that extra month will help. I know it will with me because I do real estate, and things are usually when things are booming. Things they're slow, very slow. People don't want to meet people and spread, the thing. If you say it, you... Okay, so it looks like regular... Now, this only applies to people who live in Canada. This is the National Post, who just released this thing yesterday. I'm very happy to find this out, but let's look through this piece here, where normally... So we have until June 1st to submit the income tax returns to the CRA, where before it was April 30th. So that is great. Let's see what else here. So interest-free. And we don't have to pay till July 31st, interest-free, which is fantastic as well. So hopefully this thing has passed and gives us some relief, that's great. The government is doing that because things are going to be super tight for me, seeing how things are slowed down right now. So it is an effective measure to inject liquidity into the economy. Provincial Finance Minister Eric Girard, that's it, Girard probably, told reporters. He says a deferral in tax payments will add up to $8 billion to the Quebec economy. Quebec is one of our provinces. I believe they're going to follow suit, and it will become official perhaps today. I would like it written in stone. But again, the National Post is not going to be reporting on this unless they've got sources. The Trudeau government, which is our federal government, if you're not from Canada, has been hinting at a change to Canadian tax deadlines for a few days now. Again, this is such a relief for me. Especially, stocks are down, the market is crashing. The last thing you want to do is be, selling your stocks to pay your taxes at a huge loss. If we can ride this thing out, hopefully the stocks will at least start to pick up a bit. It's going to take a while for stocks to go back up to where they were, maybe years, probably years, depending on what type of stocks you have. So let's see. So business experts have demanded an extended tax filing deadline in the midst of the drastic shutdowns related to you-know-what. If you say it, then you lose monetization of your video, so I hopefully haven't said it at all. I think they even read the text on the screen, so I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers, blur these out, but I'm not going to do that. All right. So what do you guys think? Does that relieve some stress, Canadians? Let's read through the comments. So I'm an accountant and just got off the phone with the CRA who says they have not extended the deadline. As of right now, the deadline is still April 30th. That may change, but right now, this is fake news. So again, yeah, it's not official yet. This person did it 10 minutes ago. So we still have some time. It's still March. And like I said, what was it? April 30th was the regular time you file your taxes. Let's see. Quebec, Quebec, it's ahead of Revenue Canada. So maybe they've officially done it. Let's see. Canadians should hold back on paying taxes. Oh yeah, blah, 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 blah. Politics! Politics! First year since 1982 I get a refund. Okay, that doesn't matter. Me and my wife paid about $47,000 in taxes this year. I think it's unfair. Luckily, our company allows us to work from home, but the problem is the next near future where the companies and production and contracts will wake up in total anarchy. All right. So your family paid $47,000 in taxes, and what I'm guessing to be a family income of $140,000. I paid about 3 times that level, worth every cent to help fund our world-class healthcare system. I always like reading the comments, but again, comment below if this helps you. Again, it's not guaranteed. I just wanted to let everyone know that there's talks, and we hopefully are going to get something official from the CRA website, because when you go to when are taxes due, Canada 2020, it's still saying April 3rd. So until that changes, it's still April 3rd. But it looks like there's lots of talks that things are going to change. So keep an eye on it. Keep checking Google. I know this will be great if I don't have to pay my taxes till July 31st, because hopefully things have settled down and I can get back to real estate. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I don't think there's anything else. Let's just do a quick refresh. I'd love to get a guarantee. Nope, it has not changed. We've got B&M Bloomberg, which is pretty trusted, as is National Post. I trust them. So what's Bloomberg saying here? So that was yesterday, and they're saying there's a chance. So it's not for sure, but let's see what information they have. Is it the same? Is it the June 1st? Maybe it's after. No, they're not saying a date. They're just saying, so the Post. What about today? Let's go to the Google search and change the filter. Tools, and anytime. We want to do the past hour. Anything in here? Oh, here we go. CTV News. They're very trusted. And nothing from CBC. Let's see, nothing there. Is this the, what is this? Toronto. Income tax filing. It's getting possible changes. So toronto.com. Okay, are they giving a date as well? Any dates in here? No, just the National Post has said June 1st and up to July 31st, interest-free to pay off what you owe the government. This is now Bloomberg. We've already looked at that one. Where is that CTV one? They're saying tax deadline extended. And this came out, now where are they getting this from? This is today. Basically about 18 minutes ago, this came out. So the federal government is giving Canadians more time to file and pay their taxes this year. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, he's in charge of the company. In the States, it's president. Here in Canada, it's prime minister. Justin Trudeau announced the CRA, Canada Revenue Agency, will defer its filing due date for the 2019 tax returns of individuals and certain trusts. For individuals, that mean the filing date has been pushed back to June 1st. So now this is the second news organization that have mentioned June 1st. The original filing date was April 30th. And these guys seem certain that it's happening. So is this breaking news? They must have a source. Again, check with the CRA website, which I'm going to refresh after just looking through this quickly. So for trusts with a taxation year ending of December 31st, 2019, the due date for filing returns have moved back to May 1st. Oh, what's this for? Trusts? Oh, this is individuals. So this is maybe more companies. I'm not too concerned with that. The relief would apply to tax balances due as well as installments. Now, one thing I'd like to do some research on is HST. Is this part of this? Because I owe HST as a independent contractor. So no interest or penalties will accumulate on these amounts during this period, according to the federal government. Tax deferrals are part of the federal government's, I'm not going to say that, which includes $27 billion in direct assistance to Canadian workers and families, as well as making $55 billion available in liquidity to businesses to help stabilize the economy. No matter where you live or who you are, you will get the support you need during this time, Prime Minister Trudeau told reporters gathered outside of his home in Ottawa on Wednesday. Now, he was quarantined. He self-quarantined himself. I just want to quickly, let's look and see if the CRA has officially done this. Oh yeah, I was looking past hour. Let's go back to tools. We'll say past 24 hours. And let's see here. This is Barrie 360. All Canadian Revenue Agency tax deadlines will be pushed 1 month into the future. The 2020 income tax deadline will move from May 1st to June 1st. Any interest for outstanding balances will also see a 1 month extension to July 31st. Love it. But do we have anything official? Where are they getting their source from? Where are they getting this info? Let's see. will supposedly make the announcement Wednesday. So hopefully we're going to hear today. So I'm ahead of the news, guys. Things are coming in. So let's see, all Canadian revenue. So they're not saying the source. So I'm not sure where they're getting this from. So it still could be some BS, but it looks like we're going to get some relief. Barrie. They're up by Toronto, Barrie is. So, and let's just see what's going on with Justin. I haven't been following this. I know his wife had it, and I wonder how she's feeling. And let's put, no, I don't actually want to put that in there. So, I think he's feeling better. He was in self-isolation or quarantine or whatever it's called. Anyways, guys, just trying to pass this on. It's sort of a relief to me, so I was just going to send this off to my subscribers who live in Canada that maybe we're going to get a break here. And yeah, hopefully they can confirm on the CRA website, which would be fantastic. Let's put CRA in here to see if, I'd love an official. National Post, yeah, we've already read that one. But I hope we're close to this being locked down. They said today is the day that it will be announced. Here's another one, 23 hours ago. They're being quite definitive or very concrete here. So hopefully, guys, so what do you guys think? Comment below. Will this ease your pain? I know it will with me financially. And yeah, and how are your stocks doing? Mine aren't doing well. Mine are tanking, but that's part of what Charlie Munger said. Munger, saying if you can't stomach a 50% drop in your portfolio, then you shouldn't be in the market. So I've always been prepared for it, but man, it's been tough to swallow. Anyways, guys, please comment below. Give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll keep you on top of this tax stuff. And hope everyone is doing well, and I will talk to you guys later. Cheers. Bye.